3 power of x minus 50 is equal to 75. Find the value of x. So here you can apply this exponential rule that a power of m minus n is equal to a power m over a power n. So here 3 power of x minus 50 is same as 3 power x over 3 power 50 according to this formula. Then here is equal to 75. Now we multiply by 3 power 50 in both sides. So multiply by 3 power 50 multiply by 3 power 50. Now we see this 3 power 50, this 3 power 50 will be cancelled. So we have 3 power x will be equal to 75 times 3 power 50. Now we have to apply log in both sides. So we can write here log of 3 power x is equal to log of 75 times 3 power 50. In the next step, here you can apply rule that log k power y is equal to y log k. This power y move to the base. So according to this rule, this power x will move to the base. So it will be x log 3. Then here is equal to here you can apply this formula log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 75 plus log 3 power 50. Now we have x log 3 is equal to log 75 plus this power 50 will move to the base, so it will be 50 log 3. 50 log 3. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 3 in both sides. Divided by log 3 divided by log 3. We see this log 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this part of log 3 plus this part of log 3. So here log 75 over log 3, then here plus 50 log 3 over log 3. In the next step, this log 3 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to plus 50, that means 50 plus log 75 can be written as log of 3 times 25 over log 3. Now we have x is equal to 50 plus log of 3 times 25 is same as log 3 plus log 25 over log 3. Now we have x is equal to 50 plus log 3 over log 3, then here plus log 25 over log 3. Now we see this log 3 will be cancelled. Here 1. We have x will be equal to 50 plus 1, that means it will be 51 plus log 25 is same as 2 log 5 over log 3. In the next step, x will be equal to 51 plus here 2 times log 5 over log 3. So we apply this formula. Log a over log b is equal to log a base b. So 2 log 5 over log 3 is same as 2 log 5 base 3. So this is the value of x. This is our final answer. Now to check our equation, 3 power of x minus 50 is equal to 75. Now we have 3 power of x minus 50. So x, that means the value of x is this 51 plus 2 log 5 base 3. Then here minus 50 is it equal to 75. Now we have 3 power of 51 minus 50, that means it will be 1 plus this 2 will move to the power here. So 2 log 5 base 3 is same as log 5 power 2, that means 25 base of 3. Is it equal to 75? Now here we apply this exponential rule, that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So according to this formula, we can write here 3 power 1 times 3 power of log 25 base 3. Is it equal to 75? Now we have 3 power 1 is same as 3 times. Here we apply this formula, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. A to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 3 to the power log 25 base 3 is same as 25 is equal to 75. Now 3 multiplied by 25 is same as 75. So of course 75 is equal to 75. So left side is equal to right side. So the value of x has been verified.